guys, I'm gonna show you my care routine. Una muna, mag-comment kayo ng any fruit na gusto mo dito. Isa lang. Isa lang ah. Isa lang. Isa lang. Isa lang ah. Type mo ng mga fruit na gusto mo dito. Kay? Kay. Yung coconut seed? Coconut? Kay? Let's go. Ito yung reindeer ko, guys. May 5 ko ako na pet, guys. Ayun. Ayun. So, uy, astig. Blooming stock. Okay, na. Guys, pwede mo mag-sell yung pet mo. Pero, kaya, sabi ko, I want to sell this. Kasi ayaw ko mag-sell yung pet. Kasi yung max lang ay, ay 3. Di mo, you have max level quest. Kaya kailangan ko ng 12-year-old, 20-year-old na pet para maka-adopt ko. Para makakuha ko ng 5. Para makaligay ko itong cow at dog. Bigayin niyo ako ng raccoon na. Pag kailangan niyo. Pag ayaw niyo na. Okay? Joke. Di ka naman kailangan eh. Di ka naman kailangan. Kasi, many pets. Pets, hindi pets. Okay? Bibigay ko ulit. Ano ito? Ay, yung bipet ko ito. Uy, akin away from me, ah! Aya, what are you doing? You counted for 1 year, okay? Okay? Oh my god, siguro no! Give me siguro! Okay. Give me that. Okay, that. As she said. Oh man. I'm gonna end the video right here. Alright? Okay guys, I hope you like the video. And subscribe to my channel. Alright? Okay guys, bye.